Hey guys, it's me, Dakota. We're gonna go into a nature center. Come on. See, you can see kind of like, this is the butterfly garden right here. See, this is like the dragonfly's home. The buzz nest site. These are snakes. This one is a corn or red rat snake. This one's hiding, but this one's a yellow rat snake. It's actually looking at us right now. And then this one's the red rat snake. Okay. These are just like otters, stuff like that. Let's go over here. This is like where the skeletons are and stuff like that. So these are a golden orb weaver's egg sac. Okay, let's just, here's a skink, butterfly wings, roach, cicada. These are egg cases of a brown widow. See, there's some starfish, some feathers. This is a turkey one, vulture. We've got a shark jaw right here. We also have turtles, a wasp's nest. We are not sponsored by the Trout Lake Nature Center, but come and visit because it's a cool place. These are the frog life cycle. Starts very small and then it goes into a frog. This is a hog. Also, it's a katydid. This is a katydid. Also, which is cool, is here's a door, and this door is not just an ordinary door. It's not just an ordinary door. You can actually get binoculars right here. You can get binoculars, and then you can go out there, and there's a little like multiple trails out there, and you can bring binoculars to like look at bugs, birds, mostly birds. But also, let's look over here. This is a bald-faced hornet nest and a bald-faced hornet. This is the inside. These are spotted skunks. This is a gray fox, scarlet king snake, which a water moccasin, which is very venomous, and they'll chase you, so be careful. Florida water snake, and these are the eastern diamondback rattlesnake, which is venomous. This is the python rattlesnake. They are venomous. These are water moccasin or cottonmouth. Scarlet. Don't get a scarlet king snake and a coral snake mixed up, because a scarlet king snake has black touching yellow. It's like black, yellow, black, red, black, yellow, black. But the coral snake has black, yellow, or red touch, yellow, kill a fellow. And then yellow touch black, good for Jack. So, okay. Also, we're gonna show you like a little bit this way, like some eggs, and then this. Then we're gonna end the video. This is a gecko. These are all the eggs. These are a tern, black tern, boat-tailed grackle, bobolink. Here's some tortoises and turtles, soft-shelled. This is a snapping turtle. This is a gopher tortoise skull, right there. These are limestone, all of this. And here's some birds. We got wood stork, white pelican, double-crested cormorant, black vulture. We have in here Cooper's hawk, red shoulder's hawk. We have an osprey, all these bones. Also, make sure you tune in next time for future videos. Like, subscribe, and there's pine cones, and there's all like different larvae. But like, subscribe, and goodbye.